It's time to have a look at the window capture tutorial. Now simply right click, add, and window capture. And we'll call this window capture tutorial. And what we will do is pick our Battle.net window, because we don't need our OBS window. Let's pick our Battle.net window right here. And as you can see, this is my Battle.net window. If I open it up, I'll put it on another screen so you can't see it, and you can see me move around. Now, this is useful for anything that isn't full screen, and what you can do here is match the title. Now, if I do, for some reason, it's not hooked up on it again. Let me do this and cancel it. And it captured it now. Now I can do window match priority, match title, otherwise find window of same type. Window title must match, or match title, otherwise find window of same executable. Could do that. And window title must match will pick up the same thing. So this depends, you'll have to play around with it as you require. Capture cursor, that's the same thing as it does in the display capture. So if I remove capture cursor, it refreshes the source, and you can't see my cursor, but you can see me select things. So if I select the games, you can see that, but you just don't see the cursor. This is particularly a useful thing, such for the use of, say, the League of Legends launcher window while you're waiting for a game, since League of Legends does everything outside of the game before actually loading into the game. So you can see the pick and ban section of it, and you can see everything with a window capture source. As with any other source like the game capture source, if you don't find the window you're looking for, click on that window first, and then the OBS hook will probably hook into it that way. So don't get frustrated if it doesn't pick up everything the first time, or if something gets hidden. Simply click it to make it the active window, and then it should be picked up. That has been a quick tutorial about the window capture. The next tutorial will be a bit longer because we will be talking about video capture devices. So this will go anywhere from webcams to capture cards, anything you can input a video through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For any queries, remember, just leave a comment in the comment section or find me live on Twitch. And subscribe for more content. I will see you in the next one. Take care.